So, yan yung history nila. Oh, sabi niya dun ano, this tower is the oldest of all Bielun towers. It was built in 15th century. As its name suggests, it used to be a place of tortures, a prison where an executioner kept his tools. King Sigismund the Old gave Bielun rights to judge criminal cases in 1518. Yun yung kanyang English translation, guys. So, ito. So, historical place nga to. Ganda. Ganda ng view. Ganda siya. So, yun guys. Thank you for watching.